Does seeing a paragraph like this in the exam make you panic? Don't worry. This is actually the easiest 4 marks you will learn today. I'm going to show you a trick to crack any probability case study in under 3 minutes. Students, pause here. Read the last line carefully. Did you spot the trap? Let me know in the comments if you caught the word not before I explained it. Welcome back to I4Man. Today we are tackling a case study question from chapter 13 probability. This is a short format for the CBSE class 12 boards. Let's decode it. We have 3 employees, Jayant, Sonia and Olivia. They process forms and they make mistakes. Jayant does 50% of the work. Sonia does 20%. Olivia does 30%. Now let's look at their errors rate. Jayant messes up 6% of the time, Sonia 4%, Olivia 3%. You see the first question. Find the probability that Sonia processed the calculation and committed a mistake. P of S given E, actually it is not O given E, kindly change the correction, P of S given E, which is equal P of S into P of E given S whole divided by P of J into P of E given J plus P of S into P of E given S plus P of O into P of E given O, which is equal, what is the value of P of S? 20 by 100. P of E given S 4 by 100. So 20 by 100 into 4 by 100 whole divided by P of J is 50 by 100. P of E given J is 6 by 100 plus P of S is 20 by 100 into P of E given S is 4 by 100 plus P of O is 30 by 100 into P of E given O is 3 by 100. So which is equal 80 divided by 10,000 the whole divided by 300 divided by 10,000 plus 80 divided by 10,000 plus 90 divided by 10,000, which is equal 80 divided by 10,000. You see the denominator, it's all like fractions. So directly add the numerators, 300 plus 80 plus 90, that is 470, the whole divided by 10,000. Now you cancel 10,000 and 10,000. So what will happen? 80 divided by 470 will be the answer. Again we can cancel the numerator and denominator by 10. So you will get the answer 8 by 47. Find the total probability of committing a mistake in processing the calculation. Now actually we are going to calculate the total mistake, that is P of E, which is equal to P of J into P of E given J plus P of S into P of E given S plus P of O into P of E given O. Already we calculated this value in the previous problem, that is, see the denominator value, that is 470 divided by 10,000. So what is the value of 470 divided by 10,000? 0.047. Here the tip is, no need to calculate once again the total probability for error. Actually, we calculated in the previous problem the total probability for error, which is available in the denominator of the Bayes theorem. You see the denominator of the Bayes theorem, final value is 470 divided by 10,000. So we directly copy the 470 by 10,000 from the previous problem. So we can save the time. So this is a useful tip, I think. Did you notice here the word not? Students usually will not notice the word not and they will commit the mistake and they will find the probability for form processed by Jayant. It is a tricky question. Here we should use complementary concept as probability not processed by Jayant, which is 1 minus probability the form processed by Jayant, which is equal 1 minus probability of J into probability of E given J whole divided by P of J into P of E given J plus P of S into P of E given S plus P of O into P of E given O, which is equal 1 minus 50 divided by 100 into 6 by 100 the whole divided by 470 divided by 10,000, which is equal 1 minus 300, because 50 into 6 is 300, the whole divided by 100 into 100 is 10,000, and then whole divided by 470 divided by 10,000. So which is equal 1 minus 10,000 and 10,000 will get cancelled. So 300 divided by 470. Now we take the LCM. 470 minus 300 divided by 470. What is the value of 470 minus 300? That is 170. So 170 divided by 470, which is equal Cancel by 10, you will get the answer 17 divided by 47. See, a scary paragraph turned into three simple calculations. Now, homework. What if the question asks for the probability that it was processed by Olivia, given there was a mistake? Calculate it and put your answer in the comments. Subscribe to i4Math and like for more case study breakdown. See you in the next video.